Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by removing the 2 rubber back covers and the 4 T6 Torx screws beneath them. This releases the rear shell. Once done, pull out the batteries and store them safely so you don't short anything. Make sure to work on a clean, static-free surface and collect screws in order. This prevents confusion later. You're separating the back plate now because it gives direct access to the internal modules and keeps fragile ribbon cables safe during the next steps. Once the shell is lifted, you'll see 2 ribbon cables and the battery contact. Gently unlock the ZIF clips with a plastic spudger to avoid tearing. After detaching ribbons, unscrew the small screws securing the paddle assembly and analog modules. This lets you remove paddles and thumbstick modules intact. Keep parts grouped. 1 pile for screws, 1 for small plastic pieces. You do this so reassembly is straightforward, and to prevent strain on fragile flexes and solder joints later. To finish, reconnect each ribbon cable in the correct orientation and reseat the paddle assembly. Replace screws finger tight and reinstall the rear covers. Before snapping everything shut, insert batteries and power the controller to test buttons, triggers, and sticks. That way you catch problems early. If something fails, power down and reopen. Most issues are loose ribbons or a missed screw preventing contact. Make sure connectors are fully down and screws aren't over-tightened. This prevents damage and ensures reliable operation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.